The 5 science-based secrets to sticking with new habits. When it comes to creating new habits, you don't have to rely on what some guru says on the daily talk shows. Science has actually done quite a bit of research on developing new habits, and there are science-based approaches that are proven to be successful. Here are 5 secrets to staying with a new habit that are based on actual research and science. 1. Keep it simple. Stick to developing one habit at a time, or if you develop more than one, make sure that your habits reinforce each other. For example, if you want to get in shape, developing new habits in the areas of diet and exercise reinforce each other, while trying to get to the gym every day and spend an extra 2 hours working on your online business may actually conflict. 2. Know why you failed in the past. If you know why your past efforts failed, you will avoid making those same mistakes again. On the other hand, if you blindly plunge forward without evaluating your past efforts, you will probably make the same mistakes without even realizing it. 3. Track your progress. There is a reason why there are so many apps and computer programs for tracking goals. They actually work. Everyone likes to track their progress a little differently, which is why the sheer number of apps exist. So pick the method that works best for you, whether that be electronic or paper, or on a whiteboard on your living room wall, and track your progress daily. 4. Start early. It is difficult to be successful when you wake up at noon, unless you work the night shift, of course, and the earlier you get a start on things, the better off you will be. This doesn't just mean getting up early. It also means getting an early start on projects and not putting things off until the last minute. Always start earlier than you plan to, and you will have the advantage. 5. Engage with other people. Other people can be a big help when it comes to sticking with new habits. Your friends and family can sometimes stand in the way, but they can also offer support and accountability. Obviously, you want to pick the right people, but when you have a support network that cares about your success, you will have a higher chance of achieving it.